In today's video, we're diving into how to create customized client forms in SuiteDash to boost your results and improve client interactions. If you're trying to streamline your client intake process or personalize your service offerings, this video will give you practical steps to make that happen. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share some alternatives that may just be a better fit for your business needs. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your SuiteDash account and head over to the Forms section. Here, you can either choose to modify an existing form or create a new one. For new users, creating a form from scratch is simple. Just click Create New Form, and you'll be prompted to choose a template or start with a blank form. Next thing, let's talk about adding fields to your form. SuiteDash gives you a wide variety of options like text fields, checkboxes, drop-downs, and more. You can drag and drop these fields onto your form layout, which makes customization super easy. But here's a pro tip: use conditional logic to show or hide specific fields based on a client's previous answers. This is where SuiteDash's customization options can really shine, giving you the flexibility to personalize the form to fit each client's specific needs. The third thing you should know is about setting up notifications and automations. Once your clients submit the form, you can set up automatic email notifications to yourself, your team, or even directly to the client. It helps keep everyone on track and saves a lot of time compared to manually checking each submission. Now, let's talk about styling your forms. Custom branding is crucial, and SuiteDash lets you adjust the form's appearance to match your business look. You can change colors, add logos, and even adjust the fonts, ensuring your forms are visually aligned with your brand's identity. Remember, a clean and professional look will give clients a better experience, which can improve conversion rates. Next, let's move on to the data collection part. When you receive form submissions, SuiteDash stores all this information securely. You can access it anytime in the client's profile, which makes it easy to track all their submitted information in one place. This is where SuiteDash really excels as an all-in-one business solution. Now, while SuiteDash is powerful for customizing forms, it's not without its downsides. Some users find the interface a little overwhelming, especially when you're first starting. And if you're looking for deeper integrations with third-party apps or more advanced customization, SuiteDash might fall short compared to some other options on the market. But if you're committed to SuiteDash, it's still a great tool to consider. That said, there are alternatives that might offer more specialized features for creating client forms, like JotForm and Typeform. Both are incredibly easy to use and integrate seamlessly with a variety of other tools. However, if you're looking for more specific business management tools beyond just forms, then SuiteDash can still be a great all-in-one option. Finally, here's a little bonus. We've partnered with SuiteDash to offer you an exclusive extended free trial, which means you can try out everything we've mentioned in this video without any commitment. And as a bonus, I've linked some amazing alternatives that might better suit your goal of customizing client forms and more. Both of them also come with free trials, so you can explore without any risk. Check out the links in the description for the best free trial offers available only for our viewers. Whether you stick with SuiteDash or explore other tools, we've got you covered with the best deals out there. Thanks for watching!